Tired of juggling files across multiple hard drives and want to simplify your storage? Then, let's dive into how to merge disks in Windows 11 and 10, creating one large, unified volume in just a few easy steps. First, type Disk Management into the Windows search bar and click to open the Disk Management tool. Now, before we proceed, and this is crucial, back up any important data from the drives you plan to merge. Merging disks will erase all data on the secondary drives. I repeat, back up your data. Next, identify the drive or partition you want to merge into another. Right-click on it and select Delete Volume. Confirm the deletion. Repeat this process for any other drives or partitions you want to merge. Backing up data first, you should now have an allocated space next to the main drive you want to expand. Now, right-click on the main drive where you want to add the unallocated space and select Extend Volume. The Extend Volume wizard will appear. Click Next, and you'll see the available unallocated space. Select the amount of space you want to add to the drive. Usually, you'll select all of it. Click Next again. Finally, click Finish. Disk Management will now merge the unallocated space into your selected drive, creating one larger volume. And there you have it. Your drives are now merged, giving you a single, larger space for all your files. Remember to always back up your data before making changes to your disks. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. See you in the next video.